Hello student, welcome to English class. Today I will be discussing Unit 4 Section 1 and the name of the chapter is Space Voyager. Space. What do you mean by space? The area outside the atmosphere is said to be a space, and Voyager. Voyager is a traveler who travels from one place to another place. So today we will be discussing about Vikram Sarabhai. Let us start the lesson in detail. Vikram Sarabhai was the father of the space program. He was the man who not only developed and launched rockets. So Vikram Sarabhai was called as a father of a space program. He is called as a father of a space program because he worked in the space research, technology, science and technology. He worked in that space research. So he was a man who not only developed and launched rockets. So he was a man who developed rockets, launched and many more things, but who was passionately committed to using all aspects of science and technology in general and space applications in particular as levers of development. He is completely passionate, he is completely emotional, he is completely dedicated towards his work in aspects of science and technology in general space applications and lever of development. The lever of development means the growth and the development. He worked for our country for the growth in a space program. Sarabhai was much more than a highly talented scientist. He was a dreamer, creator and innovator, not only in science and technology or in its organization and management, but also in a huge range of developmental institutions. So, Vikram Sarabhai was not only a talented scientist, he is the most talented scientist compared to the other scientists. He was a dreamer and a creator. Here creator means bringing something, and innovator innovator means the person who introduces new methods, new things are said to be an innovators. So he is not only in a science and technology, he invented not only in science and technology, in other fields also like organization and management, but also in huge range of development institution ranging from Space Science and Technology Center. So not only science and technology, he worked not only in a science and technology, he worked in a development research centers, science and technology centers also, which is in Trivandrum to the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, and the Nehru Foundation for Development. Vikram Bhai was often being typified as a dove on nuclear weapons and missiles. So Vikram Bhai always typified. The meaning of the typified is characterized as a dove. The character of a dove, he is compared with a dove bird. Dove bird which is a very peaceful. It is meant for a peace. So he is characterized as a very peace, but it is false. It is not like that. This was not true. As far back as 1956, at a meeting of governing body of the Council of Scientific and Institutional Research, of which he was a member, he had called for the country to start R&D on rockets and missiles. So, I said he is compared with a dove who is very peaceful. His characters are compared with a dove bird, but it is a false one. It is not true, because in 1956 at meeting of governing body of the Council of Scientific and Institutional Research, where he was a member of that research, so he had called for the country to start R&D. So R&D is a research and development on rocket and missiles. He has been called for research and development for the developing rockets and missiles. In the area of atomic energy, he mounted programs for capability and capacity. In the area of atomic energy, in the field of atomic powers, in the field of atomic stations, he has developed, he has started and mounted different programs for the capacity and the capability. Here capacity means power or ability to do something, and capacity, amount that something have. Building all across the chain, from the mining of uranium ore at the Jadaguda mines in Bihar to the building of atomic power stations. He not only started the different programs for the capacity and the capability, but he built it across. He chained the link for the mining of uranium ores at the Jadaguda mines in Bihar. He linked it. He linked it, Bihar mines, to the building of atomic power station. He strove hard to make our atomic program self-sufficient. That means he did a great effort. He took a great effort to make our atomic power self-sufficient. Self-sufficient in the sense independent, without the help of the others. He made a great effort to build our atomic station for self-sufficient. Without taking the help of the others, we have here that atomic power should stand in its own. Sarabhai had very definite views about the kinds of roles which scientists could and should play in building an independent and modern India. So not all the above all the qualities, Sarabhai had one quality, view of point about the scientist. He had a view of point about scientists that every scientist should have a unique view, at a particular view, which can make our India a modern India and for the better development. So in a broadcast over air on August 14, 1965, he spoke of 3 goals. Broadcast, he transmitted some information. Broadcast is transmission. Transmitted some information on the air, radio or television. He transmitted, he gave the information to the media that the scientists should have 3 best qualities. So let us see what are the 3 best qualities. The first quality, to foster creativity and interest in getting to the core of problems. To foster creativity, to encourage the creativity of the scientist, to go to the deeper to the problems, to find out the problems, what is the base of the problem, what is the core of the problem. That is his first viewpoint. Let us see the second one. The second, to provide experiments on a wide scale. So he has the second view that scientists should be provided experience in a wide range. They have to experience in a big scale, wide range. Third, to apply their skills and knowledge to the diverse practical tasks of society, like building of the economy, creating of a desirable social environment, of policy making in the areas of defense, development and social. So his third point is to apply these knowledges, apply the skills in a field of policy maker, environmental, social environmental problems, to solve the social environmental problems, for the development of social change, for the development of our economy. So this is his third point. So what is the first point? Our first point is to foster, encourage the scientists for the creativity and to show their interest in a depth to solve the problems. And the second point is provide experience. They should be provided experience to a wide range. And the third point is they should apply their skills for the betterment of, for the development of scientific research, for the development of scientific research in a different way, to change of social problems, areas in the areas of defense, development and social changes. As he put in, we look down on our research scientists in national laboratories or our academics in universities if they engage themselves in outside consultation or if they choose to augment their income from task oriented projects of a practical nature. Not only this, he put forwarded the scientists should be encouraged, the scientists should get a new knowledge, the scientists should go, the university scientists should get a new knowledge and should be engaged in should engage themselves in a task to get lots of knowledge and experiences and make something for adding. Augmented is a make something for by adding. So adding to increase. He made them to work in different fields. He encouraged them to get knowledge from different areas. So this is his view of point. Next, Sarabhai advocated a more decisive role of scientists in the promotion and application of science and technology to contribute to the attainment of social economic goals set by the planner. Indeed, he called for and worked for scientists and technologists to be heavily involved in the policy and management aspects of science and technology intensive areas of national endeavor other than science and technology in a narrow sense. So, Sarabhai supported a more essential role for scientists for promoting and applications of science and technology to contribute the attainment. So he supported the scientists, what they want, actually if they to attain their goals. For attain their goals, he supported the scientists for attaining their goals. For instance, he felt scientists and engineers rather than judges should be roped in to solve interstate river water disputes. So, for instance, he felt scientists and engineers. He felt scientists and engineers rather than judges to be roped, to be connected together, to be joined together for solving the interstate river problem, disagreements, river problems, all these things. A similar proposal of a developmental program for the Brahmaputra Ganga river system and to make this basis of a new relationship between India and the then East Pakistan. So not only he engaged, not only he supported the engineers and scientists rather than judges for solving the river problem, but he also gave similar proposals to solve Brahmaputra Ganga river system and to make it on the basis of new relationships between India and the East Pakistan. So he also gave us tools and techniques and above all a philosophy of organizing and managing scientific institutions. So he gave techniques and tools, lots of techniques and tools and ideas he gave for the promotion and managing of institutions, managing scientific institutions. So far it has been Vikram by the scientist, R&D, that is research and development manager, science and technology, policy maker and a planner, but he was man with interest in music, painting and architecture. So far we have seen Vikram Sarabhai was a man who is very much interested in science, worked for a research and development and science policy maker and planner, but instead of that he is a great lover of music. He is a great lover of music. He is very much interested in music. He is very much interested in painting. He is very much interested in architectures. Architecture means constructions of those who read designing. Those who read designings, they are said to be designings or designing of buildings. They are said to be an architecture. He was very much interested in all these things apart from his work, science and development research. So he was a great creator of motivated people of institutions and programs. He was a citizen of a wealthy business family, but never let a peon carry his briefcase. He was a very great motivator. He motivates other people. He was a very great creator. He was a very great inventor. So, and he is said to be a seasoned, a twin, a young man from a business family, and he never asked his peon to carry his briefcase. So, it is against my principle, he used to say. So, carrying a briefcase is against his principle. He wants his briefcase to be carried by him. So, he is very down to earth, very innocent, very polite, and he is also said to be a father of Space Research Center. So, thank you so much. If you have any doubt and queries, please comment on the comment box. Surely I will clarify it. Thank you.